It's 6 o'clock at night and it's still snowing. The weather says it's gonna be snowing till almost 4 o'clock in the morning tomorrow morning. Not sure how many. We probably got a couple inches, I think. My neighbor shoveled the snow a couple hours ago, so that's the sidewalk there. But just wanted, actually I wanted to come out and see my lights, something about Christmas lights, they need snow. I mean, you don't need the snow, but just add something to it, I guess. I'll take this stuff down next week to start taking the figures down this next week. I just left them up so I can see how it looks. The neighbor has some lights over there, and neighbor over there. And there's one over there too. It's got lights on. Just coming out here to enjoy it, and I'm gonna go back in now. Probably got a couple inches, I think. And what's on top of this head here, maybe. But I don't have to go out in this mess tomorrow. They might have a weather advisory. Here's what it looks like down the street. Snow's falling. Y'all have a good one.